Hey viewers, welcome to our channel Uflyer, your one-stop destination for all IELTS materials and general English. Today we are going to discuss the 5 most proven tips and tricks to score an 8+ band in the listening section. For those who are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss an update from us. So without any delay, let's start. In the listening section of IELTS, you are required to answer 40 questions that will be based on the audio clips. The marking pattern in this particular section is a little different from the writing and speaking sections. For every correct answer, you will receive 1 mark, with the total number of marks determining the overall band score. Scoring chart is provided for you on the screen. Pause the video and have a look around. To crack this section with flying colors, we have compiled some efficient tips that can not only help you to prepare in a more structured manner, but will open every possible way to earn more score in the listening module. Tips for scoring 8+ band in listening module. Today we will discuss certain measures which you can abide and reach your goals with ease. So let's start. Number 1. Enhance vocabulary. As vocabulary plays a vital role in this section, this is the main reason why we recommend students to read more newspaper, magazines. Make it a habit to write down the unknown words, as this will help you to retain them in the examination. Increasing vocabulary is not a one-day task, so you should start working on the vocabulary section from the very first day. Number 2. Increase your listening ability. You are always advised to focus on the flow of the content of the audio at the time of the test. Always try to outline the information spoken at the time of the listening test. Note down the important ideas, major and minor details. Make it a practice of listening podcasts of various speakers, as this will give you an idea to understand every spoken word in a more precise manner. Number 3. Listen for signal words. The words that indicate certain characterization in the entire section requires more attention. The sections like introductions, major ideas, conclusion are the most prominent parts that you should differentiate in the listening section. Develop an understanding to find out the flow of the spoken content. Number 4. Listen for connectors. The test taker should always focus on listening for words that showcase connection and relationship between certain sentences. Always identify a clear-cut relationship between certain causes, such as compare and contrast, effects and consequences. Try to anticipate what the examiner is going to say. Although this trick is quite hard, but if you listen carefully, you will be able to make out the next move of the examiner. Develop an intellect in which you can easily predict the basic idea and information. Number 5. Try to understand the purpose of the speech. As a test taker, you should be well versed in assessing the entire purpose of the speech or the conversation. Try to notice if the language used is casual or formal. The student should pay special attention to the tone of the invigilator. If the overall speaking is formal, then you can easily make out that it is a courtroom discussion between certain intellectuals. To conclude, practice is the only thing that will help you to get your desirable band score. You need to practice until and unless you become fully confident in your language. Practice is the appropriate way in which you can invest your time fully. I hope these tricks will help you improve your scores. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel so that we keep bringing more such informative content ahead. Thanks for watching.